aliens in fucking World War I, Joseph Kony.
Playing gay Sansa.
Yep.
Bye, Sansa.
One more life and then I'll hop off.
One more
Just
life.
one more life.
Just one more life. It's not gonna be a very long life, trust me. I die so fucking quick.
Me when I'm
Wow.
reincarnating.
Yeah,
Just one more life.
Yep, I died.
It's true. Please, Buddha, just one more life. Bro is never escaping samsara.
Can you give me just one more day? Can you give me just one more day?
Yeah,
No.
imagine if it was called Halo, the Master Queef's collection.
Dude, can you put your microphone closer to your face?
Watch this.
No,
It's gonna be really
I kind of
bad.
can.
Why not? It's because his big fat face and his cheeks are just so
Okay.
big that he
This
can't
microphone
get the
doesn't
microphone
oh,
any
there we go.
closer.
There we go. No, the microphone doesn't.
You're good. You're good now. We had a gremlin like laugh. Oh, this is a crazy pose. Gnome flutters behind me, laughing and giggling at me. Did you guys
Yeah, I
just see
don't-
that?
I don't even get, like, I don't get it.
Don't get what, bitches?
You don't know
No,
what
you don't.
gnomes are?
I've never tried A and B. No, I know what gnomes are. I just don't understand it. It was in the context of the meme.
There was no context. That guy just got invaded by gnomes midway through his post.
Just got invaded by gnomes.
That happens.
I think Akron might be like not very good.
Look at him though.
I'm looking at him. What do you want me to see? Can anyone tell me what the fuck the toxin does?
Whenever you touch them, it debuffs them or something. Poison
Yeah, whenever
them,
you
I don't
touch
know.
him, it poisons him.
Like only contact?
Yes,
Yes,
that's
physical
literally what it says. Why don't you read the item desk,
I don't.
bruh?
I don't have it.
Say so.
Why don't you say so?
You gay so.
I'm gonna beat you up so bad you're gonna start singing this fucking Skibbity Toilet song. You think it's just like a reaction that guy had? Like that was not planned? He just
That
looks like his
guy.
panic
Oh yeah,
button.
that's like just a little child. How they react to things.
Is that
Skibbity is all I know. He was raised on Skibbity.
my topper's over here on the right side? Fellas.
What are you talking about? He was raised on?
Hmm?
What were
He
you
was
raised on?
what?
And the little homie was raised on Skibbity.
Like what clip? What context?
This is the one that you brought up. You were talking about where you're like,
Oh yeah. Oh,
guy who-
right.
Mod.
Could
Men in Black neuralizer him. The effect doesn't even do anything. It'll be exactly the same.
this is what happens with you.
No.
penis gnome?
Walks outside, penis stripped off by penis gnomes.
Me and him bad luck, Brian.
This guy doesn't even know what a gnome is.
Me?
Yeah, you literally didn't know what a gnome was.
What are you even talking about? How would I
Or
not
you're
know what a
like-
gnome is?
You're like, well, I don't understand. I don't get it.
Yeah, in the context, I just explained it. Why I didn't get it. I said in the context of the clip. Obviously, I know what a gnome is.
Clearly, you don't know what a gnome is.
Okay. Bro, you act like I don't have a maxed out hardcore Iron Man gnome on WoW.
Do they have hardcore Iron Man gnomes? Or hardcore Iron Man on WoW?
What a stupid question, of course.
I thought Iron
Right.
Man was only RuneScape.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
it's
what
just
I
a
thought.
rule set. You can just self-impose it.
Yeah, I do a hardcore Iron Man in real life.
Well, everyone does.
No, you don't. You literally use the Grand Exchange. You use Amazon.
What is that even?
Dude, you played 1 hour of RuneScape. I don't want to hear it.
Bro doesn't know what the G is. Fake fan.
He's like, RuneScape is pretty cool, and he's never even played. He's never even gotten to Varrock.
Okay, we had our Wizard 101 arc. When's our RuneScape arc?
You won't even do that.
Some gnomes escaped.
Tucker, you wouldn't even do that.
What do you mean?
You wouldn't do
Play
a RuneScape
RuneScape?
stream.
Why not? Just because I hate it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know that.
You just said you did.
You kind of did, yeah.
I can do it anyway. Here.
What can you do anyway?
Play RuneScape.
Okay.
Everything's content, bro.
Tucker hates everything except for incredibly boring 100,000 hour turn-based Japanese RPGs.
Oh, they're not incredibly boring. Take that back.
No,
Super
I
mega
won't.
ultra boring.
Any super mega fans?
No.
Somebody better go hit
Not
that
anymore, bro.
teleport.
You can't. You're the closest.
I have the slowest speed. I'm not doing it.
You can make me walk all the way back.
I'm
Go
only
for yourself.
fucking at the map right now.
Go for this.
You
Yeah,
can't
you have
be a fan of
vertical
Super Mega
mobility.
anymore.
Why not? I don't even know what super mega does.
They did just like, I don't know. They did Let's Plays, but I don't watch any of the Let's Plays. I just watched the ones where they got high and injured themselves.
What?
But they
What?
like covered up like a rape. So
With who?
one of their editors.
Oh.
So
Oh,
that's
did you
not
guys
cool.
hear about fucking the Gumball voice actor who beat the shit out of Dream?
Yeah,
That
and
was
then he said
fake.
a bunch of then he said a bunch of like homophobic and racist anti-Semitic stuff in an Uber.
Drake? Or I mean, not Drake. Dream or the other guy? Did I
according
say it
to
wrong
Dream,
twice?
According to Dream.
I mean,
the
there's a,
Gumball
I
voice
will,
actor.
I mean, it's not according to him. There's a video. I saw it.
There's a video?
Yeah.
Who said it? Dream or the other guy?
The other guy.
Nicholas Cantu, I believe
Oh,
is his
okay.
name.
Hold on, I want to see the video now, because I was just under the impression it
Hold
was
on.
alleged. You guys ready?
Uh huh.
Yeah, motherfucker, we've been gonna get it on Intel for the past 5 goddamn minutes. Let's see, I opened Twitter, so let me scroll for 5 seconds until I find someone reposting it.
Just go for 5 seconds until I find out the goon porn.
Well,
Yeah,
that's
that's
a
kinda
lot
my
less than
issue.
5 seconds, bro. I'm Dream, nice to meet you. Come at. Oh! Oh! I'm getting attacked.
I found the TP. We're hitting it.
Best.
Fuck.
I'm not controversial take. I am not vibing with the Lynx totem.
It's not even controversial.
Let's just up this all here.
It's fine. I'm soloing it.
Don't worry, we're coming in. We'll clutch it up. James, get out of there. You're about to die.
No.
Playing a dangerous game.
I'm playing a normal game. For normal people.
To be fair, Dream is still a pedophile. I want that one to be clear.
Okay, everyone is a pedophile on YouTube. There is not a single person that isn't at this point. That's like saying Dream
Yeah,
is
get with
Dream.
the time, bro. Big whoop. We all are, okay?
I don't know about we, but
You think he's so cool just because he is? Like, alright, dude, I've been doing it like way longer.
that's awfully interesting.
Oh, that's not a fake wall. How do I get there?
Hard work.
James, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, well, just checked out there for a moment. You
I was merely testing my abilities.
very based of you. Anime build.
Anime build. And it's just like I'm just like trying to pretend to be Itachi Uchiha.
I'm not pretending, bro. I am him.
Does he have the Mangekyo in the eye?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Right.
Sharingan.
It does have the Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. The EMS, if you would.
The IBS, if you would.
No, he doesn't have that.
No, that's me.
You don't have IBS.
No, I
What
have
are you
celiac
talking about?
disease.
Yeah. Like, is it not like the same thing?
I mean, sorta.
With the
They're all fucked up on the inside,
IBS
so.
and the colon.
Nice one, good one.
Is that a good one? Three identical drones, and we obtained something for it.
It's a bigger drone.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's the same drone, but it just does better.
Oh. Okay. You fucking robo spiders.
Oh. Found the TP.
Dude, smack it.
Native Americans be like.
You smack it?
No, I found the TP.
Oh.
Got it.
God damn it, I've been harmed by the sorcerer once more. Can I use the backup and then change all of my